Just finished giving him a haircut. And then yesterday, I repotted my I don't know, I can't say if it's calamansi. I'm just gonna say it's citrus. There's two of them. They were together in one small pot like that. But they're getting matured now. They're growing, so decided to transplant it already into this pot that I bought for 12 bucks. $12.99 at Home Depot. See, it's big enough, so I don't have to worry. I think this is, I don't know how many gallon this is, but this is pretty big already for a starter. So it'll stay there for a while until I guess probably it's just gonna stay there. I'll just have to take care of it and feed it. But there's the sibling from seeds also. And so it's happy over there. And then, because this soil is gonna shrink, because that's partly compost and soil. I'll just keep adding some more soil while these are growing, so it's not so bad. And then what else? Oh yeah, seeds are coming out from here, a new sprout from the rose. And then it's back to being alive. It's alive. And a lot of seeds, vegetable seeds and flower seeds growing. And then what else? And then my goji berry are flowering now. See, it's flowering. That'll become fruit. I guess it's happy here. I'm glad it didn't die though, because the fruit is really sweet. And I think that's pretty much it for the garden. Waiting for the vegetables so I can cook some sinigang. Sinigang with tomato and mustasa only. And I haven't done anything here. Not yet, at least. It's hot still. It's hot.